Sick of smelly sponges and bacteria-filled dishcloths? You need the Squidgy Thingy, the revolutionary germ-free way to get your dishes clean. The flexible silicone scrubber that easily cleans inside glasses of any shape, even fluted glasses. This amazing silicone sponge quickly scrubs up clean those greasy pots and pans. The secret lies in the 300 soft and flexible silicone bristles that will not scratch and damage the delicate surfaces around your home. Reach for the Squidgy Thingy when next cleaning your oven, safely remove encrusted and burnt food from pans. Regular sponges soon become bacteria-ridden, smell, and can harm your health. The Squidgy Thingy is made entirely of silicone and does not absorb harmful bacteria. It's so easy to clean either in the dishwasher or just by running under fresh, clean water. Ideal for glass, stainless steel, copper, ceramic pans. Squidgy Thingy gets them squeaky clean. Easy to hang, it's always handy and ready to use. Let's put it to the test. We clean the same tray with Squidgy Thingy and a traditional sponge. Rinse them both in water, then immerse in clean water. The traditional sponge is still full of dirt and grime. But Squidgy Thingy is crystal clear. Because it's made of silicone, it's heat resistant too, making it ideal for removing hot baking trays and dishes from the oven or grill. It's non-slip, flexible and grippy, making it easy to remove stubborn lids and bottle tops. So versatile, you can even clean glass, shower trays, mirrors and bathrooms. The flexible bristles are even great for scrubbing vegetables. The electrostatic bristles can even capture dirt and pet hair from furnishings or clean mud from delicate paintwork. Squidgy Thingy is truly amazing. Clean it in seconds. Simply rinse in fresh water or pop in the dishwasher. Use it time and time again. How many smelly sponges do you get through? They're bad for the environment, harbour bacteria and waste so much money. It's time you got creative with Squidgy Thingy, the flexible, durable silicone sponge for endless use around the house and home. Take one or more to the checkout now.